Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the One UI 8 update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So after the One UI 7 update, we are now all hyped up for the One UI 8 update. And talking about the device list, so yes, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is included in the device list of the One UI 8 update. Talking about the beta version, so the beta version is available for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. To enroll in the beta version, you can go into the Samsung Members app and enroll yourself for the One UI 8 beta program. Then from the settings and the software update, you will get to see the One UI 8 update. But keep in mind that these beta updates can have some bugs or issues, so you will have to ignore them. And if we talk about the beta version, so currently we are on the beta 3. And according to the Turn Watts on Twitter, he says that this might be the last beta version and there are chances that we might get to see the official update of the One UI 8 on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series first, and after that we will get to see this update on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now if we talk about the release date of the official One UI 8, so according to my estimation, this might be released by the end of August or in the month of September. If everything goes right in the beta version, so we might get to see the One UI 8 beta early. Talking about the new changes, so you can get to see a new UI change in the weather app. Further, you can get to see some smoother animations while opening and closing of the apps. The animations while opening and closing of the apps got smoother in the One UI 7 update, but now in the One UI 8 update, they are expected to become a lot more smoother again. Talking about the battery, so the battery might get a real upgrade in the One UI 8 update, as with the One UI 7 update, many users were facing a battery drain issues, so we hope that with the One UI 8 update, that will be fixed. Another feature that is coming in the One UI 8 update is in the split screen. Now you can split the screen almost all the way down or almost all the way up. This was not possible in the One UI 7 update. As you guys can see, I am on the One UI 7 update and it can only go till here. In short, the One UI 8 update will be only an enhanced version of the One UI 7 update. There are no as such UI changes coming up with the new One UI 8 update, as the One UI 8 update is already out with the new Samsung Galaxy Foldables and there is no as such UI changes available. And obviously with the One UI 8 update, you're going to see the Android 16 update as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the latest news regarding the One UI 8 update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Let me know your thoughts on the upcoming One UI 8 update, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.